Ever been in a relationship where you went from, I can't stop thinking about them, to, I can't even remember why I liked them? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if it's not them? It's you. Or maybe it's both of you. One of the biggest reasons people lose interest? A total communication breakdown. Like when you're trying to talk about your week and they're already asleep with their eyes open. Because let's face it, silence isn't golden, it's just awkward. Another sneaky love killer. Boring. Yep, relationships start exciting, spontaneous dates, new experiences. But then, same old routines kick in. And suddenly your most exciting conversation is about whose turn it is to take out the trash. Mic drop. Wait, no one's even clapping anymore. Let's talk feelings. Or the total lack of them. Emotional disconnect is like Wi-Fi that won't connect. You're both in range, but nothing's happening. If you're physically close, but emotionally miles apart, it's time to ask, are we roommates with benefits? Oh, and let's not forget stress. Work, bills, family drama, all that stuff leaks into your relationship, like bad Wi-Fi into your Zoom calls. So before you blame your partner, ask yourself, is life just too much right now? Now that we know why interest fades, let's fix it. No, not therapy, unless you want to. Just simple, doable stuff. Talk. Like really talk. Set time aside to share thoughts, dreams, and yes, even complaints. Try something new together. Take a class, plan a weekend trip, or cook a weird dish. Novelty equals spark. Reconnect emotionally. Ask how they're feeling. Hug more. Show appreciation daily. Manage stress together. Meditate, exercise, or vent without judgment. Stress relief is sexy. Give space. Sometimes, absence really does make the heart grow fonder. Because healthy relationships aren't about grand gestures, they're about showing up every day. Losing interest doesn't always mean it's over, it just means you've hit a bump. And bumps are fixable. So next time you're feeling disconnected, don't panic. Grab your partner's hand, or at least their attention, and try one of these fixes.